Hello, sunshines. How are we doing today? Hope you're having a great day here. I'm live from Chile, from a new boat here, really enjoying our time. It's slowly getting warmer. I hope you're having a good time so far. And if you can hear and see me, please let me know. We are live on YouTube and on X. In case you're new here, welcome to Pro Traders Launch. If you're old here, welcome to all our members and our family. Really nice community we got going. And if you have something to say, as always, drop it into the comments, questions, feedback, likes, always appreciated wherever you do, also in Discord. And as soon as I get some confirmation, I will get back to everyone here. But yeah, really nice here to see what's happening on Bitcoin. We got some really nice trades going yesterday. So I will go over that here. I'll wait a few more seconds here until I get some confirmation, and then we can kick it off here together. So hope you're all having a good time, and let's jump into it, ladies and gentlemen. Where are we? What did we do on Bitcoin over the last few days, and where might it go next? So I will go over that here on the lower time frame, and we will see what the markets could potentially bring here for us. So let's dive in and let's see what we can do here. On the higher time frame, we can clearly see that after the upper range here that we marked out clearly here to the upside, we got a lower range here and we deviated out of it. We were long with all our members here from the flip of our TWEB, really nice, and we got a really nice upside so far, and more than 17% overall on this move. Really happy with it. We were also discussing the stopover here at the point of control, but if you want more details on our swingers, trades and our setups, join us here in the Pro Launch anytime, and I will go over the higher time frame outlook on where I think Bitcoin is going next. It's really interesting to see what happened overall in the last few moments here, and since this whole debacle with our new beloved tariffs and presidents and everything that happened. Crazy world we're living in right now. So let's see what we have here in storage for us on the lower time frame. So we're trending upwards clearly. We got some impulsive moves going. We also got some volume backup. Like if we're checking that, we can see some buy interest here rising again. Also here at the lows, and that definitely catapulted us up to where we are now. Let's go slowly into the lower time frame and let's see what we can do here, because at the end we're looking for a trade here together, and we are close to New York Open, so we might as well see what happens there and if we can catch something together. Let me quickly check if we got some feedback or some questions. Trader R is here, appreciate it. All good, so much so good. Let's continue here. We got our rise up here yesterday. We actually longed this low here in our New York Open live session yesterday. We got some really nice aggression here. Was a live trade, I think a smaller one, 0.5 Bitcoin we opened together with our members, and we got some $500 of profits here on the move up here. So we took this trade here based on a few things. First of all, we were looking at our pitchfork here to the downside and to take out those lows. Basically coming into it, took out the lows, and the most important thing here was the aggression that we got. So we got some aggression into the low. On order flow, I will not go order flow here in our live streams. I will go on order flow analysis with our members later in and during New York Open, but that's where we basically entered together the trades, and we see basically that we got a swing failure pattern here of the low. We creep down here, we got a deep retracement once, we got a deep retracement twice. We did not get much aggression here into the first low that we took, and then we came back, we got big shorts into the low, and then we got a nice rise going of what, about 4.5% so far. So I will take this one off here. I will take this one off here too, and let's see what else we were looking at and what we can look at. We wanted to take profits here around this region here, around the high, so basically untapped levels that we had. Those we flipped through, and I would definitely expect a backtest in that region. So that is the only next area here that we have close by. I will mark that one out, and I will remove the levels for now, because at the end we tapped through them and we can just look for a potential backtest if we can see it. Let's see what else we have here. Again, smash the likes, leave a comment, always appreciate it. Will want me to do more streams for you here, and the more feedback we get, the better it is. So let's zoom out a little bit further. We were also looking at something else yesterday here. Basically around this region we had the anchor from the high, and that's where we took our profits together with our other levels. So we had a lot of volume confluence here and we pushed through it, and that is normally a sign of strength. So what happened? We pushed through it, we got what, over 2% from the low where we took our profits, and then we continued to push on. We did not see any aggression. It was also really interesting to see in order flow that we got a squeeze through here, and the only thing that happened around this level, or our level of interest basically, was shorts coming in. So we got a lot of shorts joining, coming in, big trades. Order flow was very bearish with everyone trying to short those levels, and then we just squeezed through them. And then if you examine order flow around those three candles here, or those 3 1-hour candles, you can also see that we got a lot of aggressive shorts coming in here, and then eventually we get a small retrace here, but we squeezed a lot of shorts here on the way up so far. So for now, if we zoom out here again, we can also still see that the latest moves here, still market structure bullish. We did not take out any lows. We were consolidating here a little bit early in the week, but nothing really crazy. Got a squeeze, and then again here, still bullish market structure here. This will be interesting here. This will be our first test of the highs, and we can see probably a change or probably not. So it depends to see if we are just continuing here and getting this continuation here, or if we make our way down here to lower levels and get a potential change in market structure. No matter what we do, we still have 7% range around here, or potential of a 7% move, either to our lower levels or from the lower levels up. And that is definitely something we can look for on the higher time frame and on the lower time frame. So let's go back in. Let's take this off, let's take this off, let's take this off. This one we will also take off for now, and then we will see what else we have. Again, if you want to see those trades that we took here at the lows, for example, live in action, you can always join Pro Traders Launch and get a 99% or 99 euro first month for a special promotion here on the website with When Sailing 99 code. So just enter that one on the website and you will be able to join and get access to the live streams. There's daily live streams, and we have some great insights from the pro traders and also our members. We have an awesome community in there, and really appreciate how everyone is giving and adding value to it and learning from each other. So really, really nice from that perspective. So let's see, what do we have? We have still a daily level above us. I'm not a big fan of those in general, but still always helpful to have them marked out. I will not look at it for now. Let's look at our reversal levels here for a minute and see what is going on, and if we have something close by. We have for sure, again, some equilibrium and VWAP closes here from yesterday to the downside. Let's see where it falls within our levels of interest. So if we would flip it here, we should extend it probably a little bit to this side here, and everything else, yeah, the VWAP close we still have below there, so we would need to keep that in mind. I will definitely set some alerts here. Monthly open, weekly open, yearly open, everything is flushed and back tested. We don't have anything fresh here, and everything fresh starts around the levels to the downside. So that I will definitely keep in mind, but for now I will take it off. I will only leave this one on, and I will also look at volume here. So let's see where we are with volume. Now we are a little bit top heavy here with this push that we got over the last few hours. I would say definitely we had some cleanup to do here with the volume profile. I would love to see a backtest here of this region to the downside. Eventually also the anchor here, and that is definitely the first area for me where I will be looking for a long position. So around this region here, we'll need to see where the aggression comes in, but that I will do with our members later at New York Open. So in a few more minutes, I will jump into the Discord and then go over it. And if we get some aggression into our levels, happy days, we'll take a trade with our members and we will book some profits. And you can pay your monthly Pro Traders launch fee with that. Let me have a quick check if everything is fine and everything is clear here with everyone. Very nice. So far, so good. Yeah, we don't have any untapped levels here. This one here for sure. Could we look at it differently? Yeah, this is very low time frame stuff for sure. But we can always look at fibs and have a look to see where it might go. This is why I don't like this region at all. There's the potato pocket around here with 618 coming up in our equilibrium. So ideally, I would like to see a bounce from above here. Was it or is it around our 0.5? Let's quickly have a look. Yeah, lately we got a lot of bullish moves with the 0.5 bounces, and that's how I will look at it. I will not need it here. I will keep it as is for now, and we have our alerts set around this level. So far, so good. Yeah. I hope everyone enjoyed it so far. Remember, we got swinger session every Sunday where our pro traders are going over trade setups and giving away free memberships. So something interesting for everyone on those swinger session, and highly recommend it to watch. So far, quite a good hit rate with the trades that were handed out there on a silver platter for everyone. Have a look at those and don't forget to leave a comment here. So let's sum this one up. Am I interested in shorting anything here where we are? No, definitely not. If you are in the launch, you know where our swinger trades are and which trades we took. So that is all being communicated very clearly. For now, on the lower time frame, the only area where I would be looking for a trade is around 95,500 here, where we got some sort of confluence on different volume levels. The interesting thing here for me to see is, for sure, I will not long here if we just come in here and bounce without any aggression. So I will always look at order flow. I'm a scalper. I will go over that now in a few minutes inside the launch with our members. So if we come into a level, for example, if we grind down here, if we get some aggressive shorts here, negative delta, all the things I want to see, best ingredients for a scalp trade, I will take it with our members. But I will not long here or here or here or here just blindly. I always need to see order flow on those aggressive scalps. And that is what we do live inside the launch. But yeah, I think that's the only area here really of interest, because overall we are mostly bullish here on market structure. We could get a bounce here if we are not getting a bounce where we are, for example, and continue to lower levels. We have some lower levels marked out and you are also aware of them here. What we are looking for sure, it's very, very simple, always volume wise and equilibrium wise. So keep it straight. Don't overtrade, don't get too aggressive. I will jump into the pro launch now. Feedback as always appreciated. I hope you enjoyed the session here. And if we are getting some nice reaction here, I will take the trade with our members inside the launch. Thank you for having me here, for joining in. and I hope you're having a good time. So, cheers and goodbye.